Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Hootsuite, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you link or connect your social media account to your Hootsuite account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to link your social media to Hootsuite anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, especially if it's content driven, you know that with Hootsuite, you can post to various accounts all at the same time. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Hootsuite account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Hootsuite account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you need to connect another social media account, what you're going to do is click on the person icon down here on the bottom left. All right, once you do that, you're going to see this drop down menu, and you want to click here, social accounts and teams. Okay, so once you do that, you're going to see all of the social media accounts you've already connected. You can see I connected my Twitter or my X. And in order to add another account, you're going to click here, private account. Okay, so next you can go ahead and choose what type of account you're going to connect. So you can connect your Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, all of these. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to go ahead and connect my YouTube. Okay, so for each social media that you're going to connect to Hootsuite, it's going to be a little bit different, but basically the same. You're going to have to choose the account and you're going to have to log in. So I'm going to go ahead and choose this account right here. Okay, now for YouTube, it's asking which channel I want to connect with my Hootsuite. So let me go ahead and just choose this one right here. Okay, generally with the social media that you're connecting to Hootsuite, it's going to let you know the types of permission that Hootsuite is asking for. So be sure to read through that. And if you agree to it, click on allow. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see that my YouTube channel is now connected to my Hootsuite. So I can use Hootsuite to go ahead and make posts to this social media. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to connect a social media account to your Hootsuite, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.